Hi guys, today let's unbox this keyboard from HP. The model number is called HP 100. It is a basic keyboard for regular home use and office works. Let's unbox it and see how is the quality and how it feels. Especially I bought it as a replacement of the Logitech K120 which stopped functioning some time back after a long service at the office. Let's see if it is worth it. Please support the channel by liking this video and subscribe if you find my videos useful. Let's roll the intro and get into the meat of the video. So it comes in this cartoon box with the image of the product on the front and some other specs written all over. Going over the specs written on the box, it says it has LED indicators for num lock, caps lock, scroll lock, which is present in almost every other keyboard. There, nothing to brag about. And I see the Indian rupee symbol included instead of the dollar sign. You get the keyboard itself in the box with some paperwork. Initial impressions of the product is good. The quality does not feel too shabby. Starting from the back, you have two rubber slits down there. However, there is no rubber material on the top, though it has a razor which can lift up the height a little and put it at a slight angle if you prefer that way. The cable is long enough to reach the back of your desktop or laptop easily. The quality of the wire is also okay. Coming to the front, the keyboard consists of full-sized keys and a dedicated number pad. Also, it features 3 media keys for media pause and mute. The keyboard has a Indian rupee symbol key which is rare in many keyboards. The keys are adequately strong and doesn't wobble when pressed. It is actually quite comfortable to type and the keys are soft enough, and what you can expect in this price range. So concluding, I can say it suits for the office works and home use perfectly. You would not want it for gaming, however it can handle light gaming just fine. Now I think that the Logitech K120 is slightly better in quality and feels more solid than this keyboard, but this does not mean the HP one is bad. It is just that the former is a tad better overall. The other factor being price, you will get the HP below 500 INR, but the Logitech would cost you around 750 to 1000 bucks. The price keeps fluctuating, so considering that, this keyboard is a recommended buy. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments. This is Avik signing off. Have a good day.